Hey, welcome to Beginner Dance Tutorials. I'm Carrie Mitchell, and today we're gonna learn a nice short routine to Monster Mash. We're gonna break down all the moves nice and slow, step by step. You can't mess it up. If you stand up and you're moving, then you're doing it right. As a quick reminder, there is no music in this video. It's just the tutorial only. If you want to see what the dance looks like with music or when you're ready to practice it with music, there's a separate link and you can click it down in the description below or up here in this card and it'll take you to another video where I will do this dance with music and you can dance along with me. But for this video, it's the tutorial only. We're just going to learn the steps. All right, let's get our Monster Mash on. Here we go. We're going to start with your footwork. You're going to take 2 steps to the right. So right, together, right, then touch your left, and then you're going to go back to the left, left, together, left, touch your right. These are little tiny steps. You're not really moving anywhere. You're just going right, touch, left, touch. Your arms, here come the monster fingers. As you step out, let's just do the arms. You're going to take your right arm out and your left arm in front, and you're going to go out, and then you're just going to switch them. So now your right arm's in front, your left arm's out to the side. You're going to go one more time, and then as you come back, you're going to do a little right, left. So we're switching the arms, right, left. So we go out to the right, out to the left, out to the right, switch, switch. Right arm goes up first. Again, right, then left, then right, then right, then left. If you're putting it with the footwork, you're going step right, step left, step right. As your left foot touches, you go right arm, left arm. Switch, switch. Yeah. One more layer. If you want to, when you step out to the right both times, you can look to the right, the way you're going. Right and front and right and switch, switch. Try that one time. 5, 6, you got it. Step out to your right and look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, switch, 7, 8. From here, when you go back to the left, we're just reversing the arms. So now your left arm's gonna go out, right arm up on 1, 2, they switch, 3, 4, then again, 5, 6. This time your left arm's gonna go first, left, right. So just the arms are going left arm out, right arm out, left arm out, left arm, right arm. Again, as you step to the left, you can look. So we're going to go to the left, to the front, to the left. And when you come back to the front, touch that right foot and we go left, right. Yeah, try the left side. 5, 6, step to your left. You got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whatever your arms are doing is perfect. Try right and left together. 5, 6, we're gonna step to your right on 1, 2, front 3, 4, side 5, 6, then right, left. Now left, then front, then left, right. Very nice. Let's try it one more time. 5, 6, step out to your right on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, switch 7, now step to your left, 2, 3, 4, 5, now switch, left, right. Great job. From here, we're gonna keep your monster claws going and you're just gonna take them slow to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left. And I'm just gradually going up as I swing him to the right, swing him to the left, swing him to the right, swing him to the left. And I'm stepping on every other count too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can watch your hands go up. You don't have to step, you can just do the arms. Try it one time. 5, 6, 7, go right and left and right and left. From here, we're gonna reverse it. Boop, go back down, but faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you start up here at the left and you go right, left, left. So we did slow, 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 then you speed it up, quick, 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 quick. From here, we're gonna go even quicker and you're gonna go right, left, right, left. Yeah, on 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And if you wanna kind of twist your feet with it, you can. Twist, 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 twist. Or just do your arms and sit into your hip. Yeah, so we go up. Slow, 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 then you speed it up. 1, 2, 3, then faster, right, left, right, left. Try it from here. We're gonna walk those arms up slow. 5, 6, 7, 2 counts to the right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Speed it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, then right, left, left. Great job. Back into the top, so we're gonna step out to the right. 5, 6, 7, you got it. 1, 2, front, 3, 4, 5. Now switch, right, left. Go left, then front, then left. Now switch. Walk your arms up slow. You can step with it if you want. Take it down. 1, 2, 3. Now faster. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Great job. You're doing awesome. Remember, you can pause it and practice it. Also remember, it's just a fun little dance to Monster Mash. You literally can't mess it up. If you're moving, you're doing it right. So let's add on. This is when we're really gonna do the Monster Mash. So we just did right, left, left. You're gonna take your hands and we're gonna do this little double action. It doesn't matter which one goes on top first, but you're going double, then double, then double, then double. They're just moving in and out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna take my first 2 and keep my elbows in. And then the second 2, I'm gonna stretch my arms out like a real zombie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can just kind of lean side to side as you do it, or you can take little steps with every one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it would just be right, left. Try that. Or just lean. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, so that's 4 times. You're gonna step out to your right, keeping the monster fingers. You're gonna go right, left, and then they're gonna circle around. Circle to the right, and then we're gonna do that same thing to the left. Left, right, circle to the left. So tuck your elbows in tight here, keep those monster claws, and you're just swaying everything to the right, to the left. When you circle, they're gonna swoop this way, down, but then they start to come right back up in that circle. Circle and throw to the right. Then we go left, right, circle to the left. Yes, very nice. And if you want, you can kind of twist your feet with this. Twist, twist. Or you can just stand here and do the arms. Choose your adventure. 5, 6, step out to your right, go. 1, 2, circle around, circle around. 5, 6, try it again. Right, left, circle around, left, right, circle around. So that circle's fast, but you can do it. Just practice going like this. Tuck those elbows in. It's easier if your elbows stay in by your sides. So from here, we're gonna do 4 of these, and then you step to the right. Right, left, circle around, left, right, circle around. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, step on your right, then your left, 2 more. 5, 6, step to your right. 1, 2, circle around. 5, 6, circle around. Yeah. Back to the top. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? 5, 6, step out to your right. 1, 2 together. 3, 4, 5. Now switch your arms. Right, left. Go left and right and left. Now switch. Arms go up slow, slow. You're gonna speed it up for 4. 1, 2, 3. Now faster. 5 and 6, 7. Take your arms over and under. 3, 4, 5, 6. Step out to your right. Right, left, circle around, then left, right, circle around. Fantastic. We're almost done. Let's finish it out. So you just circled to the left. You're gonna go step, clap, clap, step, clap. So you're stepping on your right, 2 claps. Step on your left, 1 clap. Try that. Step, clap, clap, step. Do it again. Right, left. Do it again. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. I'm gonna take the first one up high and side to side. So one on the right side of my head, one on the left, and then low. Very nice. So we go high, clap, clap, high, low, clap, clap, low. Try it. 5, 6, 2 claps to your right. Do it again, but low. One more time. 6, 2 claps to your right. Then get low. You don't have to really get that low. That wasn't even that low. From here, last 8 count, you're gonna just twist side to side. There's literally nothing that you could do that's wrong with this. I'm gonna keep my monster claws or bring them back, and I'm just twisting that left foot first, and then I'm gonna put my weight on it and twist my right foot. But it doesn't matter. You can go right first, and then your left. You can go forward and back. You can't mess it up. You just twist for 8 counts. So try it. Step, clap, clap. Step, clap, clap. Then we twist 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Monster twist. Here we go. Step, clap, clap. 5, 6, step, clap, clap, step to the right. Take it down low. Then we twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's it. Let's go back to the monster mash part. So that's where we're gonna do the over, under, then you're gonna step to your right and circle. Then from here, that's when we go step, clap, clap, step. That's how we'll put it together. And this is when he's singing. They did the mash, they did the monster mash. Sounds just like that. Here we go. 5, 6, hands over and under, go. 1, 2, 3, do it again. 5, 6, step out right, right, left, circle, then left, right. Step, clap, clap. Do it again. Twist for 8 counts. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fantastic. Back to the tippity top. So we're gonna step out to your right and then to the front. You cannot mess this up. If you're up and moving, then you're doing it right. And if you're sitting down and watching, that's fine too. Happy Halloween. Here we go. Step out to your right. 5, 6, step out to your right. Go 1, 2, front 3, 4. Do it again. Now switch. Right, left, then front, then left. Switch left, right. Take it up. Slow. You can look at your hands if you want. Bring it down for 4. Speed it up. 5 and 6. Monster mash. 1 over, 1 under. Do it again. Step out right. Circle around, now left. Step, clap, clap. You got it. Now we twist. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very, very nice. Let's do it one more time. You can be a happy monster or you can be a stoic monster. You choose whatever you want to do here. I'm gonna smile. So we're gonna step out to the right. Last time you can do it. 5, 6, step out to your right. We get 1, 2, 3. Do it again. Now switch. 7, go 1, 2, 3. Do it again. 5, now switch. Take your arms up slow. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bang it down. 2, 3, faster. 5 and 6. Monster mash. 1 over, 1 under. Do it again. Step to your right. Right, left, circle. Left, right. Step, clap, clap. Do it again. Now we twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fantastic. Excellent job. That was our monster mash, a nice short part of the song. If you want to repeat the combo over and over, you can. So after you twist 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you'll just go 1, 2. You'll go back to the top where the verse starts. There is one part in the song that it doubles the verse, so you have to do that part back to back. Just listen to the song, and when he's singing a verse, do this part, and when he's singing the monster mash, do this part. That's all you gotta do. If you're wondering where the music is, remember it's in a separate video. It's always, always, always gonna be in a separate video. It's linked down in the description below or up here in this card, and you can go check that out when you're ready to practice it with music. If you enjoyed this and you wanna see more dance tutorials like this in the future, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I would love to dance with you again in another tutorial. Thank you so much for joining me for this one. I hope that you stood up and you tried it and that you had fun doing it and that it gave you a little spooky season vibe, something fun and festive to do for October or any time of the year that you're doing this. That's it for today. Again, thank you for joining me. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Happy Halloween, and I look forward to hopefully dancing with you in another tutorial soon. Bye, y'all.